Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to make an ebook with Canva and export it as a professional PDF file. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your completed ebook design in the Canva web editor. This assumes you've already finished designing your ebook pages with all your content, images, and formatting in place. Once your design is open, you'll be able to see all your pages laid out in the editor. Now, before you export anything, take a moment to review every page from beginning to end. This step is crucial because once you download your ebook, you want to make sure everything looks perfect. Scroll through each page carefully and check that your text, images, page numbers, links, and margins appear correctly. Look for any spelling errors, misaligned elements, or formatting issues that might have slipped through. This is your last chance to catch any mistakes before creating the final file. Once you're satisfied that everything looks good, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Share. Click on it to open the export options. This is where Canva gives you various ways to publish or download your design. From the menu that appears, click on Download. This opens up the Download Settings panel where you can customize how your ebook will be exported. Now you need to select the right file format. Open the File Type menu by clicking on it. You'll see several format options available, but for an ebook, you want to select PDF. After selecting PDF, make sure to choose Digital as your preset. This preset optimizes your file for screen reading rather than printing, which keeps the file size reasonable while maintaining good quality. Next, look at the Select Pages section. Here, click on All to include the entire ebook in your download. This ensures that every single page you designed will be included in the final PDF file. With all your settings configured correctly, go ahead and click the Download button. Canva will now begin processing your ebook and converting it into a PDF file. This might take a few moments depending on how many pages your ebook has and how complex your design is, so just wait while it completes the export. Once the download finishes, open the downloaded PDF from your browser's downloads list. This is usually at the bottom of your browser window or in your downloads folder. Now comes the final quality check. Open the PDF and go through it page by page to confirm that the layout, text, images, and page order are correct. Make sure everything transferred properly from Canva and that your ebook looks exactly how you intended it to. If you spot any issues, you can go back to Canva, make the necessary corrections, and download it again. And that's it. You've successfully created and exported your ebook from Canva as a professional PDF file ready to share or sell. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.